Hey guys, this is me, Levon, Loaded Operator 7, and today I'm doing a little update on my water fountain. I was very upset with this corner. It all used to be always packed with leaves and crap like that, so I just said, I'm gonna do something nice with it. And I'm gonna actually make this like a little memorial or slash shrine slash whatever you want to call it for my mom and my dad. So I'm gonna do it for my parents, and yeah. Anyway, so my mom loves plants, and she loved all kinds of real flowers, not cut flowers. So Mother's Day always consisted of potted plants, and yeah. So I have one of those. It'll actually emit like mist and stuff, but I gotta bring it closer to the surface, and I really don't care about that feature. I like the fact that it's just doing the lighting, and it's beautiful from like when you're just sitting down. Look at that angle. And then I saw this guy, and this is beautiful. It's called a bollard. It's like a light with all the bubbles that are in the glass, and I've set it so that it does the fade, a slow fade, and it's got like 22 different colors that it cycles through, and I think that is pretty dang cool. At night, it's really nice. It also has white, so you can do cool white, warm white, and like a bright white. So that's pretty dang cool. It's got remote control, and I just set it to this feature. It is low voltage. I have it on a 15 volt setup right now. I'm running it off of that guy. It's 200 watt setup. The wire does run, and it continues all the way down to the rest of the flower bed. So I did originally get some lights for it, which I later saw they're actually very nice lights. But they're like pathway lights. So I got the wrong thing, even though I like the way they look. I'll show you what they are. I like these very tall, like very cool LEDs, but they're pathway lights. And the way that they project, you see, sorry guys, I like that they can, very similar to that guy, the bollard, but you see how the light projects? So, light pattern. I don't know how to do it. I don't know. Maybe I will keep them. I'll run them up and down the driveway maybe, or we'll see. But that's what I got for now. And I'm not sure about those guys. They have some other ones that are decorative and that are like downward facing. And I thought that those would be nice because they would basically illuminate the plants. So, yeah. So, we'll see. And then I did get some beautiful rainbow rock. That is going to be the finish layer on this guy, and that's the last thing that you're going to see on here. I still haven't finished leveling it out, and I'm running my wiring and all that stuff now before I start putting in the rock. Thus, it'll hide all the wiring. Those guys are beautiful. Like I found there's also a third variety of them. I might just go get the third one as well. I got the purple one, an orange one, and I forgot what the third one was, like a bluish, or I forgot, burgundy, or really dark red, and I thought that was nice. So I should have grabbed it, but I didn't. So yeah, anyway, so I was thinking of doing that, but not necessarily in that order, but yeah, definitely looks much nicer now. But yeah, so anyways, I did make a video on the duck coop and Duccuzi. It's the jacuzzi slash the duck, the little thing. They were out here partying, and I actually made I made a video on it, but the last 5 minutes of my YouTube, just for some reason or other, the audio cut out, and I was pretty pissed off because it was the third take I had done without kids interrupting and all that stuff, and the ducks were just out and about having a great time. Maybe I will just post the damn thing. But yeah, so I have another video that I'm going to post, shorter one, but there's no duck swimming, so, or I'll just wait till tomorrow. But yeah, is that pretty cool? I told you guys in my other video that the coop will back up, and that docks to the swimming area, and then there's going to be a ramp coming down this way and a ramp going down that way, and that's how they're going to have it in the field. Anyway, so back to my other thing. I gotta clean up. Got all the stuff, man. I had my boots on, and it got so hot today, so I said, screw it. And I stripped down to some shorts and some schlaps. Anyway, so questions or comments, leave them below, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.